Stacy here. Good to see you. Hope you have an awesome Friday. Well, earlier this week, Kyle and I took the girls to the park. And this was our first time back at the playground, at a public playground, since COVID-19, since all of the closures and everything. So it's pretty interesting to see how they've opened it back up. So without further ado, I'm going to insert that footage now so you guys can see. So stay home if you're sick, wear a mask, maintain social distance, avoid gatherings, and wash hands.
There's a thing that looked like that in the car, but it was small.
Don't move it. Hold on. Oh, it's like a grasshopper.
Yeah, maybe it is.
Should have put some sunblock on Charlie.
I like him. Charlie, get in here.
I love the way walking on this surface feels. It's so bouncy, easy. Be fun to run on, I would think. I feel like you could run forever.
I gotta show you something really cool. It's like a secret base.
Here we are in the secret base.
Yes, and like people can like put their feet up here because it's for rock climbing too.
Oh, that rock climbing. It's pretty cool. We have this whole park to ourselves. So while masks are recommended, there's no one here, so we're not wearing masks. Which is good because it's hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yeah.
My bangs are making me sweat up here.
Yeah.
Closer, Mommy.
Do or don't?
Don't. You will get hit, Mommy.
Oh no.
You have to move back.
I don't think you're gonna hit me, baby. Charlie.
Over there.
I see her. Charlie wants her minion. Here you go.
I don't need my name.
All right, ready to go? Other people are starting to show up, so we're gonna go. Now we don't have sunblock, so we better go before Charlie gets burned. Come on, Joe. Whoa, there goes Joe Rocket and Charlie Rocket. So it's pretty crazy. It's just kind of strange. It definitely has a very like left behind kind of feeling, kind of vibe to it. But it was still fun to get out and to let the girls get some exercise in the park, in the playground, you know. So we were visiting with some friends yesterday and we got home and our power was out, and it was out for several hours. And come to find out, there had been a big storm here while we were gone, and then on the way home we just missed it completely. But there was a giant tree down and it was just crazy, like pulled the wires down and 2 telephone poles. But anyway, I'm gonna go walk up the street and see if I can find it and show you. So I'm gonna insert that here. So here it is. There's a bunch more. They cleaned some of it up. That telephone pole is still up. But the next several are down. There's the telephone pole. And there's the downed branches. And you can see the pole down there is down too. But all of this, just insanity. Look at that. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a big tree here and it stops right there. That's another tree behind it right there. And then there's still this part. But there was all of this part of the tree that broke off this way. So that's where the big broken tree was. And there's a telephone pole right there. There's the other downed one. Pretty insane. So Josephina is kind of
a ninja?
I don't know how to explain it, but she has this ability to capture flies with her bare hands. She has done this before, and today I was making breakfast, making some delicious waffles, and I was trying to get the girls out from underfoot, and I said, okay, if you can catch a fly, I will give you a piece of chocolate, well, like a Hershey Kiss. Josephina successfully caught 2 flies with her bare hands.
I mean, how in the world?
I don't know how she does it, but she did, and Charlie didn't catch any, bless her heart. Josie caught 2, so she got 2 pieces of chocolate, and she shared one with Charlie, which was very sweet, I thought. But it's just, I don't know, she's like Mr. Miyagi. Or is it Danielson? Danielson's actually the one that catches the fly, right? Miyagi got all mad. So she's my Danielson. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of that girl. I don't know how she does it. Anyway, here's that footage now. Let's see if I can get it good. There it is.
This is how much I can open up.
So Josie caught this fly with her bare hands.
2.
Yeah, that's the
Today.
second one she's caught today.
Yes.
That's all I got for you today. But an interesting few days, right? It just doesn't take much for a lot of really weird stuff to happen. But I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next time. So thanks for joining us, and see you next time. Bye, guys.